Hi guys, once again we are bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from AliExpress and Amazon sites, which helps you to choose the right products easily. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell. So let's get started. Number 1. InMotion V12 Electric Unicycle, 2500W powerful motor, 43.5 miles per hour max speed, 100 miles long range, 16-inch all-terrain wheel, 35-degree max slope, self-balancing one wheel with LCD touchscreen, dark black. 16-foot all-terrain tire. InMotion V12 is a great balance of portability, maneuverability, range, and power. The compact and slim body makes it nimble to maneuver, while the 16 by 3.0 all-terrain tire provides great stability. InMotion V12 will be your perfect all-around wheel for city commuting, trail riding, and stunt show-off. Number 2. Remarkable 10.3-inch digital paper case, slim lightweight book folios cover for tablet with pen holder hand strap elastic strap multi-viewing angles. The slim lightweight book folios case is specially designed for remarkable 10.3-inch digital paper. Easy access to all functions and controls buttons. Note, it will not work for Remarkable 1. Please kindly check the model number before purchase. Number 3. ROKR 3D Metal Model Kits for Adults. Scout Beetle 147 PCS 3D Metal Puzzle Electric Mechanical Plastic Building Kit Hobby Kit Gift for Adults. Boys Girls, Original Design, Tribute to Nature. Insects are known as the most diverse group of animals, which probably occupy 90% of the animal life forms on Earth. Their morphology is so unique that people are obsessed with studying them over generations. This metal model kit combines the beauty of beetles and modern style, trying to create a special brain game to both kids and adults. Number 4. SleekGrip Premium, swappable phone stand and phone grip. Ultra-thin convertible grip holder fits most iPhone and Android cases. Phone strap compatible with wireless chargers and car mounts. Only 30 seconds to install SleekGrip. Our concise video guide ensures a quick and easy installation with 3 adhesive tapes included for application. Lightweight and long-lasting, SleekGrip is made of space-grade steel and zinc alloy base. Weighing at only 12 g, SleekGrip is highly durable and light for everyday usage. Number 5. Collective Mind Strike Pack FPS Dominator Controller Adapter with mods and paddles for PS4. Suitable for PS4 controller only. Hundreds of controller mods directly available, including rapid fire, drop shot and quickscope. Note: see product guides and documents for more information. Note: 3.5mm headset audio compatible with controller model CUH-ZCT-2U and later. Original model CUH-ZCT-1U controller not supported for 3.5mm headset audio. USB headset required, not for PC use. Number 6. Collective Mind Strike Pack Eliminator Mod Pack Xbox One. The Strike Pack Eliminator Mod Pack adapter adds for cutting-edge, hyper-response, mappable rear buttons to your standard Xbox One controller. The ability to keep your thumbs on the sticks and fingers on the triggers greatly improves your response time in any game. Gain the competitive advantage you deserve and eliminate your enemy. Compatible with Xbox One controller models 1537, 1697, and 1708. Controller model 1914 not supported. If you encounter any issues, please contact support at collectiveminds.ca. Number 7. Trihear Hearing Amplifier for Seniors and Adults. USB-C rechargeable with noise cancelling, clip-on digital hearing amplifier with adjustable volume for mild to severe hearing loss. Restore normal hearing. The hearing aids have 25 dB to 45 dB sound gain and 6-level adjustable sound volume to help people with mild to severe hearing loss restore normal hearing. At the same time, the hearing aid can easily help you and your family friends communicate with the surrounding environment freely. For example, talk with others, go out, make friends, hear the birdsong and children's laughter at will. Number 8. Homedic SoundSleep White Noise Sound Machine, Silver, small travel sound machine with 6 relaxing nature sounds, portable sound therapy for home, office, nursery, auto-off timer, by Homedics. White Noise Sound Machine. The Homedics White Noise Sound Machine includes 6 digitally recorded relaxing sounds designed to mimic the natural environment. White noise, thunder, ocean, rain, summer night, and brook. Compact and portable. This portable sound machine is lightweight, compact, and easily fits into your purse, bag, or suitcase. Number 9. Sound Plus Sleep High Fidelity Sleep Sound Machine with 30 guaranteed non-looping nature sounds, and sleep timer. 10 categories to choose from, with 3 richness options per category totaling to 30 unique sounds. Rich and immersive sound categories include ocean, meadow, train, city, rainfall, brook, meditation, white noise, waterfall, and fireplace. Technology that listens and adapts to your environment. It responds to the changes in sound and instantly adjusts the audio volume and mix. Number 10. Homedic Sound Machine and Alarm Clock with Time Projection. White Noise Sound Machine with a digital FM alarm clock radio, 8 sounds, snooze, sleep timer, and nightlight. 2-in-1 alarm clock and white noise machine. This clock doubles as a digital FM clock radio as well as a white noise sound machine. Choose to wake up from your favorite radio station, peaceful nature sounds, or a beep tone. Set 2 different alarms for you and your partner. Number 11. Homedic SoundSleep Recharged Alarm Clock and White Noise Sound Machine, 6-in-1 projection alarm clock and sleep sound machine, 8 nature sounds and indoor temperature sensor, auto-off timer. Alarm clock and white noise machine. The 6-in-1 Homedic SoundSleep Recharged Alarm Clock and White Noise Sound Machine has a multitude of uses: digital FM radio, sleep sound machine, alarm, projection clock, thermometer, and smartphone holder. Number 12. Electrofan Micro 2 non-looping sound machine and stereo Bluetooth speaker with white noise, fan, and ocean sounds for sleep, relaxation, privacy, study, and audio streaming. Soothing sounds that cancel out distracting sounds. It can help improve sleep, focus, privacy, and relaxation. Suitable for any age, anywhere, and any time of day. Wirelessly connect your device to the micro speaker. Conveniently comes with a built-in microphone, which allows you to use it as a speakerphone with your paired smartphone. Buy 2 micros and pair them together for stereo operation. Number 13. Nanit Sound and Light Smart Baby Night Light and Sound Machine, Cry Detection Alert Feature, OK to Wake Alarm Clock for Kids, Rechargeable Battery, Wi-Fi. Smart Nursery Must-Have combines a sound machine with a night light to help children fall asleep, stay asleep longer, and build healthy sleep routines. Multiple control options, make adjustments on the device or via the Nanit Sound and Light app. Number 14. Electrofan EVO Guaranteed Non-Looping Sleep Sound Machine with 22 unique fan sounds, white noise variations, and synthesized ocean sounds, with sleep timer. Helps block out disruptive environmental noises. It can help improve sleep, focus, privacy, and relaxation. It can be used to create a peaceful sleeping environment, a disturbance-free work area, or to reduce the distracting effects of outside noises for a more relaxing environment. Helpful for any age at any time of day. Number 15. Electrofan Micro 2 non-looping sound machine and stereo Bluetooth speaker with white noise, fan, and ocean sounds for sleep, relaxation, privacy, study, and audio streaming. Bluetooth stereo, wirelessly connect your device to the micro speaker. Conveniently comes with a built-in microphone, which allows you to use it as a speakerphone with your paired smartphone. Buy 2 micros and pair them together for stereo operation.